Do you ever have the sudden urge to clean your entire house from head to toe because in a couple days you are going to go out of town and you want to come back to an immaculate house? Well, that is me. I don't know if that is just like my woman nature, but I decided that I want to take you guys along with me. So we are going to head upstairs and work our way down to the basement. So let's get started. Don't want to kill any more time. So this is what we are dealing with before. I haven't even gotten to making our bed this morning, so that is the very first thing that we are going to do, and then just simply put all this away. And just like that, we are done. It literally took 8 minutes to do all this. So I am actually pretty shocked. But yeah, so we got one room down, a million to go. So here is our master bathroom. Before, I literally didn't do anything with it. Like, why is my sleep mask on the floor in the bathroom? So this is what we are going to be dealing with. Something that I really want to work on is just the dust in our house. I just haven't dusted in a while because life is crazy, okay? Life gets in the way sometimes, and that's okay. It's okay. Okay, so the bathroom is finally done. Normally, my husband will do the deep cleaning of our house. That is just kind of the trade-off that we have. So he will do the shower later and the toilet later. That is just how we make our marriage work. It's fine. So I did the rest and everything looks great. I'm going to take that downstairs here. But now we are going to move on to the hallway. Honestly, like our ledge just gets crazy full of just stuff. And so that is something I'm going to work on clearing here in a second. Okay, so I got our hallway cleared. This right here was a huge task, and it's just like embarrassing for the fact that it's been sitting there so long. Just like old receipts and things. And then I have this pile here because all of this stuff needs to go downstairs. And I think I'm going to get rid of these Harry Potter books. They're just destroyed. And this needs to go in the dishwasher. And these are from an event of a vase I used for decor. And this is fall decor. And I'm really trying to hold off until October this year. It's been really hard. But so all of these need to go downstairs. I put them on the ledge because why make 8 million trips up and down the stairs when you can kind of make one or two? So that is kind of the plan for that. So now we're going to tackle my office. this can usually be a catch-all room, and just with our life being so crazy, this room has just really gotten the back burner. So we are going to organize this room. I'm so excited. Yeah, this is embarrassing, but you know what? I am here to show you real life and that it happens sometimes. So let's get started on this room. Okay, so my office is officially done. Nice and clean. I can finally see the floor again. Oh my goodness. With my office, it's really hard. So like for instance, I've been waiting on a credenza that will go right here for ages and ages. And once when it does, I'm going to do a full office update because this is kind of the new vibe that I'm going for, and I can't really do it until the credenza's here, which also kind of sucks because all of this can't really be put away and out of sight. So that basically all of this stuff will go inside the credenza once when it's here, if it ever freaking gets delivered. So this is as good as it's gonna get until it comes. So hopefully at the end of September. But this is what we're at now. So what I'm going to do is take all of this stuff downstairs. Okay, so we are back to where we started. We finished upstairs and then I took a little bit of a break because that took so much out of me. But doing this video is great because it's really holding me accountable. And so here in a second, I'm going to show you what our main floor looks like because like a legit tornado just ravished our main floor. So yeah. So random decor, random bags, my cooler, my Birkenstocks, more bags, more decor, shoes galore. This table's disgusting. More decor. That's work stuff. And ladies and gentlemen, our kitchen is such a disaster. We didn't even close the kitchen last night. So that is what's making it even worse. And I just feel like things just get 10 times dirtier than ever now. I think it's just because we're so busy. For instance, it is almost September and we have July still on our calendar. So let's get started. Let's try to bust this out as soon as we can so we can get done and relax. That is my goal for the rest of the day after this is done. Okay, so the main floor is done. Can't believe it. If you want to know why that pedestal sink is there, I will post a link to one of my past videos. I really need to get rid of that, and yeah, so we're just going to ignore that. I will also sweep and then run the vacuum later, so that's why the floors are still kind of crazy. We're not going to mess with any of this, but we are making progress, folks. We are making progress. I also have this stuck on there. I need to get like a proper stovetop cleaner. If you have any recommendations, comment below. But this was a catastrophe when I was making my pumpkin cream cold brew sauce, and it literally boiled over, and now it's like literally stuck. So no matter how much I scrub, this is still on there, so I need recommendations on that. And then all of the dishes are done, and while those are drying, we are going to take down this stuff that needs to go in our storage room and just other miscellaneous stuff. So, yeah. So that is it for the basement. I don't think I've really shown our basement before on my channel. Clearly, this is my husband's space. But yeah, it usually stays pretty clean. So all I had to do is pretty much vacuum and just tidy up. And then that bathroom over there is nice and clean, so I don't have to worry about that. Thank goodness. But now what we're going to do is take all of this upstairs and then sweep and vacuum up in upstairs, and then we will be done. Hallelujah. That is it for today's video. I cannot believe we finished in one swoop. I am absolutely wiped, and I'm super thankful for this video keeping me accountable. If you really enjoyed today's video, I highly suggest that you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I make videos every single Friday on homemaking, cooking, cleaning, fashion, fun, everything under that umbrella, and I really hope to see you next week and join us for the next video. Peace out, guys.